In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect RoboForex to MT4. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, hover over the Help Center here, and then click on Download MetaTrader 4. This is going to download the RoboForex version of MetaTrader 4, so just click on the Downloaded button over here, so on the program, and it's going to run up this installer, which is going to look like this. You want to click on Next first, and then you have to wait for a few seconds for this to actually finish installing, and after you do that, after that's done, you'll be able to click on Finish over here. Now, of course, in the meantime, whenever you're downloading this, make sure you actually do have a trading account created inside RoboForex so you can then connect it to MT4. After this, click on the Finish button here, and it's going to open up this. You can just close this, and it's going to also open up MT4 on your computer. So here, within just a few seconds, there we go, MT4 is going to open. It's going to load up and scan these servers, and whenever that's done, click on Next here, and then you can go ahead and basically log in with your existing account, okay? So you can just log in and press Finish over here, or you could just use this terminal over here, which you can also do later. So click on File top left, and then click on Login to Trade Account, and then here you want to basically just type in your login, which usually is just a number, and then the password you have for your MT4 trading account on RoboForex, and then also the server. The server is going to be given to you upon actually creating your account. So either if it's a demo or of course any of the other ones, just select the correct thing, put in the correct login and the password, and after you do that, you can choose if you want to save your account info so you don't have to retype it in again every single time or not, and then click on the login button and you'll be good to go. You'll be connected inside RoboForex MT4. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.